Yo guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm super excited because I'm back with a brand new gaming PC build. So remember a couple of weeks ago I actually made an unboxing video on a special open frame case from Cooler Master. It was called The Frame. Well, that was like a unique and a concept like case which could be like wall mounted. You could use it like an open test bench setup and a lot of other stuff. And today in this video we're gonna build a PC using that case, and let me tell you, this video is going to be epic. You guys will surely enjoy this video. And by the way guys, I think we are the first person to actually build a PC using that sort of case in India. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications bell icon on, because I always keep posting amazing stuff for you people. Anyways guys, since that is like a special case, I'll definitely be using some expensive and powerful components only. If you ask about the CPU, I'm going with AMD's Ryzen 5000 series Ryzen 7 5800X CPU. Now couple that with NVIDIA's newest released GPU, the RTX 3070 Ti. I'll be using that. And what else is left? RAM, I'm going with like a 32 GB kit from T-Force. Their Nighthawk RGB series clocked at 3600 MHz. And couple that with an ROG motherboard, the Strix B550 series. Now you might be thinking, why did I go with the B550? That is because I wanted to use a white motherboard for this case. See, initially I planned on making like an all black RGB themed PC using it, but again I thought this is a special case, right? So I wanted to do something different. So I wanted to go with a dichromatic look and thought black and white would be like perfect, and that is why the components I'll be using like for this build will be like a mix between black and white. So I'll be going with white RAM, white motherboard, white AIO, and the remaining all will be like black. Trust me, the end result is going to look gorgeous. So that's it guys. Lastly, the power supply I forgot to mention, that will be an 850 watt power supply, gold rated from Cooler Master. So that's it guys. These are all the stuff that I'll be using for this build. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. And ta-da, our build is all ready and good to go. And my god, the PC looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this thing. I bet you've never seen a PC like this anywhere before in India. See, now let me tell you about my experience building in this case. See, the frame is one heck of a unique looking PC case, and it was actually quite easy and fun to build in this thing. I thought it might be a bit difficult, but since it's an open frame case, right, I could easily install all the parts. I could easily connect all the cables also. There were no limitations, no restrictions, unlike these sort of cabinets, and you could easily install any length or any big sized components also very easily on it. Now, the only thing you'll have to worry is about the dust settling on it. That is because everything is open and there is no cover at the top side, right? So that might be an issue. So you'll have to keep cleaning this build once in a while regularly. Apart from that, it's great for experimenters or builders who keep frequently changing the components, because everything is like open. You can easily replace and exchange any part anytime. So let's quickly power on this baby and see how this thing looks like. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on this build featuring Cooler Masters the frame. Initially, I didn't expect it to be like this good, but after building it, I was completely blown away by the looks. It's a very unique concept looking gaming PC build and looks really gorgeous. Let me know what do you people think about the PC in the comment section down below. And by the way, if you ask like why I didn't show the performance or gameplay testing in this video, thing is I recently made my review on RTX 3070 Ti, right? Just last week only. There I've covered like my complete review and feedback. We've done a lot of game testings as well, so you can actually refer to that video, and that is because you'll get like a similar performance on this PC as well. I'll leave a link to that in the card above. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.